The reporting period principle is in conjunction with the going concern principle. If you look at the definition, it states the ongoing life of the business, which we assume is infinite from going concern, must be broken into reporting periods of equal length, and these periods can't be any longer than 12 months. At the end of each period, the firm's profits must be determined by matching all revenues earned and expenses incurred. So this second part of the definition is really important, particularly that word matching. The end of each period, no matter how long it is, it can't be longer than 12 months, but other than that, we pick a certain period length, and at the end of that period, we've got to match our revenues and our expenses. So you can see the relationship with the going concern principle. So that assumes the life of the business is infinite. That doesn't mean we can never calculate our profit and produce our balance sheet. What we've got to do is at the end of every period, we've got to break the life of the business into periods of equal length. So you can see there we've got period 1, period 2, 3 and 4. And at the end of those periods, we've got to calculate our profit, produce all our reports, and match our revenues against our expenses. So for period 1, we take our revenues of 900, expenses of 300, and we get a net profit. Another period goes by, we have our revenues of 500, expenses of 100, and our net profit. Another period goes by, and we do the same, and another period goes by, and we do the same. So we've broken the life of the business into periods of equal length, and we've calculated our profit by matching our revenues and expenses at the end of each period. So the period length, it can either be monthly, that's 12 times a year, which is a lot of reporting. It can be quarterly, 6 monthly, or annually. Why is the maximum reporting period length 1 year? Well, one major reason is the fact that we have to provide our tax information to the government annually, and they would like to know what our tax rate should be, so we can't report any longer than on a 12-month period.